Okay, try kita ha. 3.8 liters, 1.2 6.6 ATM. So 6.6 ATM. So your pressure and volume, basically this is points. Your P1 V1 is P2 V2. So this is your P1 V1. This is your P1. This is your P2. Therefore your V2, that would just be equal to P1 V1 all over V2. So therefore you have 1 ATM times 3.8 liters all over P2, which is 6.6 ATM. So you grab your calculator. And then you will have 3.8 divided by 6.6. That will give you 0.57. Into significant figures, that would be 0.58. 0.58 centimeter liters. That will be your volume. Okay, so that is for the problem. Maybe we can have another one. My letter B pa. What pressure is required to compress it to 0.075? So case B. B is you have a volume V2 of 0.075 liters. So basically, P2 now is what is asked. So therefore, you say P2 by algebra. That would be V1 all over V2. So we substitute. You have 1 ATM. Then you have a 3.8 liters divided by 0.075 liters. So your volume is being reduced, therefore your pressure should be increased. Okay, so that would be 3.8 divided by 0.075, and that will give you 50.7. In two significant figures, because I think you have two, this is a leading zero, that would be a 51. Cancel the liters, that would be 51 ATM. Okay, so that's as simple as that. I'm just trying my tablet to be the board for now on, because I am traveling. Okay, so God bless. Thank you for listening.